show you the trade that I just took, and that was completely in the money. It was a no-brainer. I mean, it was fantastic, spectacular, because it was done by using the 2-minute trend following strategy, which I'm just using every day to profit. And this is the clear example of how a successful trade can be made. So what we do? We wait for the price to break through. In this particular example, we're going to look for calls because we are above the cloud indicator. This is the Ichimoku, and we are above the cloud. So price is right above the cloud. And the first thing that we have to spot is when price, you see this particular candle has broke through this resistance. And how you spot resistances? These are indicated by this red dotted lines. So you see that the price breaks through them, right? In this particular candle, the price is broke through the resistance. So what we do? We wait because we need to wait for price to retrace, and we are going to wait till we have a divergence with the previous fractal, and the previous fractal in this case before the price is broken through the resistance. So is this one. So what we do? We start to analyze the money flow index and the value chart indicator. So the money flow index has to be touching. It has to be very attached to the zero line. So basically, we want both the money flow index to be at the zero line for a call trade and a divergence made up by the value chart. So in this case, I took the trade because I was very confident. I was extremely confident that this was a very deep in the money one. And it turned out to be. So what I did was, I just spotted that the price has broke through the resistance. So then what I do, I take in consideration the previous fractal. And I start to analyze. I want, you see, when the price breaks through the resistance, we have here like a retracement. And after the retracement, we know that the price, after it has broken through a major resistance point, it has to continue to move forward till we don't know. But we just need the first divergence. We won't take other opportunities because are less let's say have less probability to win. So we just want the first one. And in this case, you see, after the price has retraced, I had the money flow index to be touching the zero line here, and I had a divergence here from this point. Let me show you. Let me see. From this point here. To here, you see that from here to here, the value chart is lower here. But in reality, price doesn't break the previous lowest point, which is this fractal. So what we do, we wait for the close of the candle, and we take the trade, which is going to be always in the money. Alright? This is something that's guaranteed because I've been using it for more than 2 years, and I've been doubling my account, and I've been doing it with confidence, and I've been getting so many in the money trades. And this is what is going to happen with you too, because when you're confident that you have a very strong strategy, you're going to be able to just attain everything you want in life. So I want to just give you this the strategy to be sure that you can be independent financially, because this is very, very important, is needed in this time and age. You cannot afford to be ignorant or not to be able to take advantage of the market. There's no point in studying this simple strategies and skill. Trading is a skill, and if you really want to succeed, you will succeed, because if I could succeed, you will too. And I'm pretty sure that 2018 will be a fantastic year, and it will be a fantastic year, and you will make lots and lots of money. So be confident, be sure, smile when you trade, because you only have to follow just basic rules, and you will be set for life. So look at this perspective, and you will be gaining a lot of success, profits, and happiness, because life is not about struggling, suffering. Life should be just lived to be happy and enjoy the passions that you have, and this is going to be the case. So I leave you with that, and if you have any particular question, you know that I'm always on my page. You can contact me anytime. I do travel a lot.